With uChoose Rewards, you'll earn points every time you use your Cornerstone Bank debit card, so the more you shop, the more you earn. To get started, go to cornerstonebank.com on your computer or mobile device. Click the upper left menu and select the Bank tab. Then select uChoose Rewards. The next screen offers a helpful overview of the program, highlighting the many ways your everyday purchases will pay off. After you've reviewed this information, click Register. A pop-up will explain that you are being directed to a third-party website. Review the disclaimer and click Continue. You are now on the uChoose Rewards registration screen. Enter your 16-digit Cornerstone Bank debit card number and full name. Click Next. Enter your zip code and click Next again. The final step is to set up your account. Enter and confirm your email address. Then create a username and password following the requirements shown. Click Register. Review and accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. You are now enrolled in the uChoose Rewards program. Enjoy exploring a world of offers and start earning today.